Hello! In today's video you will see just one knot and 3 ways to wear it. I found this way of wearing a scarf in a vintage Hermes catalog that my friend sent to me, and I couldn't believe I've never seen this knot before. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf, and now let's tie our scarf. My scarf size is 35 by 35 inches. It is one of my favorites, la vie du grand nœud. First, let's fold the scarf as a triangle. Very important, we should fold it inside out, so the front side will be inside. Now, just tie 2 corners together and pull the ends. Now, pull these little corners to open the knot. You see how long ends are inside out. Just open them to reveal the front side of the scarf. You can leave these corners as is, but I like to hide them inside. By the way, if you make this knot with a smaller scarf, these little wings looks just right. And now let's see how we can wear it. First, of course, you can wear it as a neck scarf. By the way, if you like scarves, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. A simple t-shirt, silk scarf, and you look fantastic. Second, you can wear it as a hairband. By the way, if you like vintage scarves, I will leave a few links in the description to some lovely vintage scarves on it.To. And third, you can wear it as a belt. Just imagine how it will look combined with a little black dress. Do you have more ideas on how you can wear this scarf style? Please leave it in the comments. By the way, I'd like to thank my dear friends who sent me a lot of vintage and modern Hermes catalogs. Thank you so much. I learned a lot from it and I have a lot of fun to tie my scarves. If you like scarves, check those videos too for more scarf ideas. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!